Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to know if someone is online on Snapchat. There is no straightforward way to tell if the person is online. As you can see here, we have this Find Friends section and they have this green dot. So what does this mean? This Snapchat's green dot can mean two things. First up, it is actually an activity indicator in the Add Friends or Quick Add sections to show someone's been active in the past 24 hours. But it doesn't mean they're online right this second, okay? Now, here are some quick tips to know if someone is online on Snapchat. First up, using the Snap Map. As you can see here at the bottom left, we have this location icon. Just tap on it. And then in here, by zooming in or searching the map, if your friend is online, their Bitmoji will show a timestamp like now or here just now, indicating they are currently active, okay? Also, another way to know they're online is when you go head over to the DM section, tap on a friend's name, and in here, you can go ahead and send them a quick snap. If they reply immediately, it indicates they are online. You may also see their Bitmoji appear in the chat window where they are active. Another one is by checking your story views, okay? You can go ahead and post a story right here. Post a story, and then you can go ahead and check the stories viewers list. Now to do that, tap on your Bitmoji right here, tap on the story, and you should be able to see the list in here. Now, if your friend has viewed your story, it means they were online at the time of viewing. That is it. That is how you know if someone is online on Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.